I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're switching to a new iPhone and need to transfer your ESIM on Freedom, follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Make sure your new iPhone is fully set up and connected to Wi-Fi. You'll need to have it ready to receive the ESIM. Step 2. Access your old iPhone. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Cellular. Here, you'll find your ESIM plan listed. Step 3. Remove the ESIM from old iPhone. Select your ESIM plan and choose the option to remove it. Confirm the removal. This step is crucial as it will allow you to transfer the ESIM to your new device. Step 4. Set up ESIM on new iPhone. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the ESIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the ESIM is added, you may need to restart your new iPhone. After restarting, check if the cellular service is active by looking for signal bars. If you run into any issues, make sure that your old iPhone is still connected to the internet during the transfer process. Good luck with your new device.